Hello, welcome back. This exercise is a really basic, simple exercise on learning how to properly strike your tuning fork. What we're looking for with a weighted fork, I like to, strangely enough, I've tried a lot of different mallets, and I actually really like the suede mallet that was sold to me from Crystal Tones when I bought my Crystal Tones crystal singing bowls. I think this is like $20. We should have some up on the website soon. Different mallets are going to create different timbres of the frequency that's going to be produced. So you want to make sure, I'll show you a different range. You want to make sure that you're creating a full tone, a warm sound, and you want to make sure that you can really hear the tuning fork. So hear how that's quite a stable frequency. If I striked it far too firm, even that wasn't too crazy. Let's try another one. You want to really be striking it in a way where you're making one beautiful solid sound. You don't want to strike it too quietly. You really want to hear it ring. And then take your tuning fork and just tune into the quality of its sound, how it feels. I strike it about a third of the way down on an angle. So just practice striking your fork again and again. You want to make sure that you're holding onto the base of the fork and not touching onto the tines, as these are the elements that the aluminium is vibrating and pushing and pulling the air rapidly. This is G396 Hertz, that 396. That means that if you start to hold on to this element, you are now inhibiting the flow and the movement and the vibration of the aluminium that is vibrating the air, that is creating the sound waves. So holding onto the bass, striking it, creating a big, beautiful sound, and just tuning into how that feels. For the weighted tuning forks, I would recommend, I'm cheeky and I like to just tap it on my palm, but you can also use your knee, you can use your chair. I really do find that using my knee is the best, and that's probably not the right thing to say, and there's probably little rubber mallets that you can get, but I'm really not doing it very hard and not for very long, and I think it feels the nicest for my body. So making sure, once again, that you're not holding onto the tines, just tapping it lightly and waiting and feeling the strength of the vibration shift throughout your body. So that is a super simple exercise on how to strike your tuning forks. Go forth and practice utilizing the different sounds and frequencies that you can create from your forks. Thank you.